Ready? Start. What is national integration? Question mark. It is first and foremost emotional feeling that binds all individual citizens of this country into one of the great nations. Full stop. The Indian society is essentially plural with immense diversities of language, culture, local customs and traditions in food, dress, family life and social intercourse and religion. Full stop. It is this immense diversity that often tempts people to regard India not as a country but as a continent or a miniature world and makes Indian life a grand mosaic of peerless beauty. Full stop. This is our great inheritance which few other countries can boast of, and we must do all we can to preserve its salient and beneficial features. Full stop. But if we have to live and grow as a nation, we must make every citizen of this country realize the basic underlying unity in all this apparent diversity, and we must all strive to eliminate or reduce to the minimum the divisive forces of communalism, regionalism, and linguism that tend to disrupt or cloud this unity. Full stop. National integration may be said to have been achieved when the positive and unifying forces reign supreme to national life and the negative and divisive trends are controlled, if not totally eliminated. Full stop. This is our goal. Full stop. It is in this direction that we have been moving throughout our long history. Full stop. It is in a way a long and endless journey to a great destination. Full stop. As with liberty, eternal vigilance is the price that we have to pay for national integration as well. Full stop. Para. The binding together of all citizens, in spite of all their diversities, into one nation has to be attempted in several directions. Full stop. It is not a single strand but a union of several strands which will determine the strength of a national fabric. Full stop. National integration will therefore have to be positively sought through political, economic, and social development, through education, through a decentralized, just, and fair administration, and through the generation of confidence and a feeling of security among the minority groups. Full stop. Each of these aspects deserves some examination. Full stop. To begin with, the national integration is a highly political issue. Full stop. It is the responsibility of the political system to keep the country together and to provide the leadership of strengthening national integration in all walks of life. Full stop. The Indian National Congress provided this essential cohesion for the last 90 years. Full stop. This has been its great service to the people. Full stop.